Fix your gut in 7 days. You know that feeling you finish eating and instead of feeling satisfied, your stomach feels heavy. Almost like your body is struggling with something it should handle easily. Or maybe it's not even your stomach. It's the tiredness that doesn't make sense. The kind of fatigue that stays, even after you've rested. And sometimes it's your mood. You feel irritated, low, unfocused, and you can't really explain why. Most people don't realize this, but all of these can be connected to one place, your gut. Not just your stomach, but your entire digestive system. And today, I want to show you something simple. Not extreme. Not complicated. Just a quiet reset your body has probably been asking for. What your gut really does. Let's look at this differently. Inside your body right now there are trillions of bacteria living in your digestive system. That might sound uncomfortable, but it's actually normal. In fact, you need them. Some of these bacteria help break down your food. Some support your immune system. Some even influence how your brain works. Yes, your brain. There's a direct connection between your gut and your mind. Scientists call it the gut-brain connection, but you don't need the technical name to understand it. You've felt it before. That moment when you're anxious and your stomach feels tight. Or when something stressful happens and suddenly your appetite changes. That's not random. That's communication. Why things go wrong? Now here's where things start to shift. The balance in your gut is delicate. And modern life quietly disrupts it. Not all at once. But slowly. Processed foods. Too much sugar. Eating too fast. Not sleeping enough. Constant stress. Each of these chips away at that balance. And over time, the helpful bacteria begin to decrease. The harmful ones begin to grow. Not dramatically. Just enough to start affecting how you feel. And because it happens gradually, most people don't notice the cause. They only notice the symptoms. Signs your gut needs help. Let me ask you a few simple questions. Do you feel bloated after meals, even when you didn't eat much? Do you sometimes feel like food just sits in your stomach? Do you crave sugar more than you'd like to admit? Do you feel tired in a way that sleep doesn't fix? Or maybe your skin isn't as clear as it used to be. These things seem unrelated. But often, they trace back to the same place. Your gut is trying to adjust, but it doesn't have the support it needs. And here's the important part. This doesn't mean something is wrong here with you. It just is out of balance. The common mistake people make when people start noticing these signs, they panic a little. And then they go looking for quick solutions. They buy supplements. They try strict diets. They cut out too many foods at once. And for a few days it feels like they're doing something. But then it becomes overwhelming. And they stop. Not because they're lazy, but because the approach wasn't sustainable. Healing your gut doesn't require extremes. It requires awareness and small, consistent adjustments. So instead of overwhelming your body, we're going to do something different. We're going to simplify. A 7-day reset. Not to fix everything overnight, but to give your body a chance to rebalance. To breathe again. To return to what it already knows how to do. Create spaces for the first 2 days. The goal is simple. Reduce the pressure on your gut. You don't need to starve yourself. You don't need anything extreme. Just ease off the foods that are harder to process. Things like highly processed snacks, sugary drinks, very oily or fried meals. Instead, keep your meals simple. Foods your body recognizes easily. And something important here. Eat slowly. Give your body time to catch up with you. Day 3 to 4. Add support now that your gut has a bit of space. You begin to support it. This is where you add foods that help restore balance. Natural foods. Fiber-rich vegetables. Fruits. Simple fermented options like yogurt. Nothing fancy. Just things your body understands. Day 5 to 6. Build better habits. Now we focus on how you eat, not just what you eat. Slow down. Notice when you're full. Avoid eating very late at night. Drink enough water, not all at once, but throughout the day. These small things seem simple, but they change how your body responds. Day 7. Pay attention by the 7th day. Something subtle begins to shift. Not dramatic. Not extreme. But noticeable. Maybe your stomach feels lighter. Maybe your energy feels more stable. Maybe your mind feels clearer. This is your body responding. Not to something new, but to something natural. If you want this to last, focus on a few quiet habits. Sleep well. Manage stress as best as you can. Move your body, even lightly. Your gut responds to your lifestyle, not just your diet. Your body is not against you. It's always trying to support you. Sometimes, it just needs the right conditions. This 7-day reset isn't about perfection. It's about awareness. Start small. Stay consistent. And let your body do what it was designed to do. If this spoke to you, stay with Zenvita Hub. Because real health doesn't come from extremes. It comes from understanding.